Jesus, Jesus, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when Jesus come for you? Come here, talk to you for a second. He's coming. And everybody that say they got their own life. Oh yeah. You want to do what you want to do? You want to think there's no consequences for living your life? I'm grown. I can do what I want to do. That's cool. But I want you to know it's a place called hell. There's a man in the Bible. It was a rich man, and there was Lazarus. And the story was that rich man had money. Lazarus asked for money. He didn't get to him. That rich man did not do what the Lord told him to do. He did not live the way that God told him to live. He didn't treat people how he supposed to get treated. And the Bible said when both of them died, the rich man and Lazarus, the poor man went to heaven. And the Bible said the rich man went to hell and asked Lazarus to give him some water for his tongue because he went to hell. There's no water in hell. Get right and get saved. Type in the comments, I'm going to get right. I ain't going to hell. Amen.